Hello and welcome to this quick video about INAV. Now, this is aimed at those of you that might still be using Smartport to get telemetry down from your INAV model into your radio. Lots of us have moved onto Express LRS for lots of parts of the hobby, but I still have quite a bit of FreeSky stuff here from my older days and still use this to run it. And I was playing with INAV 8.0 and bumped into something that had changed that meant my INAV LUA script wasn't working. Worked fine on the model on 7.1.2. When upgraded to INAV 8, then things got a little bit weird and the INAV script wouldn't seem to see my GPS and stuff. Now, this is because something changed in INAV, and you just need to be aware of this. And this is why I'm making the video, because it took me a while to figure this out. Because although we should absolutely always read the release notes like this, sometimes we kind of skip them, right? And the thing is that there has been a change to some of the stuff with Smartport telemetry. So basically what it means is that the sensor IDs for modes and GNSS data have been changed. So that means that if you are using the older version of things like the INAV LUA script that you've used for donkey's years, if you update to INAV 8, then by default, it's going to use these new sensor IDs. Now, you can change it. There is a parameter here that lets you turn on what they're calling legacy GPS mode. So it will still work with your older stuff on your radios, but realistically, this is only going to be around for another release or two, and we're imminent for INAV 9 coming out as well. So maybe this time in a year, then this ability will disappear. So what it really is saying here is that you really need to be using the latest version of the widget. So download the latest version of the INAV LUA script, put it on your radio, or any legacy apps that are using the old sensor IDs for your Smartport stuff until INAV 10, unless they change their mind on that, and they may if enough people ask them to keep this in. You're going to have to set FreeSky Use Legacy GPS Mode sensor IDs to on, and then it should all work. Just a quick one to let you know about this. If, like me, you have some of this older stuff kicking around, you don't update on a regular basis, and you update to INAV 8, the INAV LUA script will maybe not be happy about the GPS stuff, and this is why, and that's how you fix it. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.